Okay, what I want to do is take this mirror off because I want to find out exactly where the holes are located, because I want to put another mirror on the other side. So there's one screw that holds it together here, just like that, simple little screw. And then there's a little gasket, and then there's a little bracket with two Phillips screws in here. Okay, so that's how to remove it. So what we're looking for now is we want to measure where these two holes are. I measure from the front of the fender to here, and I also measure from the crest of the chrome to here, and that way we can drill a couple holes and put the mirror in. I'm going to measure these holes, and I just happened to notice that the bracket from the aftermarket mirror is a little shorter. Thank God I noticed that. So basically, when we measure, I'm going to measure right to that point, center the hole to the corner, which is 1 1/8, and then we need another from center to center, about 1 5/8 to the second hole. And see, if we would have stayed with the other one, we would have been wrong. So now let's go back to the other side. So now we're on the passenger side. We measure that. We just put a little mark here on 1, and then we need to measure from, I'm going to measure from this point and this point to the center. But let's go back and look at the other side. Okay, I want to do it again. I'm just afraid. Measure 3 times or 4 times, drill once. Okay, 1 1/8, and then we'll take half the distance of those 2 high points. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do 5/8. Okay. So see how that looks. Alright. And then we'll just, the second hole, we'll mark it. And then we'll find a drill and drill a hole, see how it looks. Okay, we marked it a couple times. Check it again. Then we got the right screw, the right drill for the screw. So we just matched it up, make sure it sticks on the outside. And what I'm going to do is go backwards first. Jeez, what a scary thought this is. And now I'll go forward. Okay, right on the mark. Oof, okay, wow. Look again one more time. Perfect. Okay, we got 2 holes without damaging the paint. They line up. Let's see if it screws in. Okay, there's one. And here's number 2. Okay, now that was the hard part. So it's on there. And then we just have a little screw here. Goes in the front. Set it right down on the rubber. Move that guy out of the way. Make sure you center the rubber. Just screw it on there. Okay, make sure it's perfect. I'll loosen this a little bit. Pull this rubber back. Center it. Tighten it down. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. One mirror installed. Now let's go put the other one back together. So, remember the screw goes to the back. There's one. There's 2. Here's the gap. There's the rubber gasket. There's the mirror. Tighten it up. Just move this so it's perfect. And there you go. Takes care of that one.